Meaning of fang.
fang,
Fang.
fang,
Fang. Fang is a Chinese word that has several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a square or rectangular shaped enclosure, such as a courtyard or a housing compound. Fang can also mean to release or let go of something, or to put something down. In traditional Chinese medicine, fang is used to describe a prescription or formula made up of different herbal ingredients. Overall, fang conveys ideas of containment, release, and composition in various aspects of Chinese language and culture.